If your home smells a little off, no matter how much you clean, you're not alone. Odors hide in carpets, fabrics, corners, drains, and even inside appliances. But here's the good news. You don't need artificial sprays, harsh chemicals, or expensive tools to fix it. Today, I'm showing you simple, natural, and powerful deodorizing hacks that keep your home smelling clean all day long. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more helpful home hacks like this. Trick number 1. Lemon Power, nature's instant freshener. Lemons are an absolute powerhouse when it comes to natural deodorizing. Their citric acid breaks down odor-causing bacteria, and their fresh scent immediately brightens any room. To deodorize your kitchen, simply simmer sliced lemons in a small pot of water for 10 to 15 minutes. The steam will travel through your home, eliminating strong odors like onion, garlic, fish, and oil. You can also rub half a lemon along your cutting boards or around your sink to neutralize smells instantly. If your microwave smells bad, place lemon slices in a bowl of water and heat it for 3 minutes. Wipe and enjoy a fresh citrus scent. Trick number 2. Baking soda, the ultimate odor absorber. Baking soda doesn't just mask odors, it absorbs them. If you're struggling with refrigerator smells, carpet odors, pet areas, or smelly shoes, baking soda is your best friend. Trick number 3. Essential oils for long-lasting freshness. Essential oils not only deodorize your home, they also boost your mood. The best scents for natural freshness are lavender, eucalyptus, peppermint, lemon, and tea tree. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to cotton balls and place them inside drawers, behind furniture, in your car, or near vents. Put a cotton ball with a few drops of essential oil on the floor and suck it up with your vacuum. This will give you freshness in every room. You can also create your own natural room spray by mixing 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 8 to 10 drops of essential oil. Shake and spray whenever you need an instant refresh without chemical fragrances. Trick number 4. Simmer pots for whole house deodorizing. Simmer pots are one of the easiest ways to make your entire home smell incredible. Trick number 5. Activated charcoal for deep odor removal. If you're dealing with strong, stubborn odors, especially in closed spaces, activated charcoal is a game changer. It absorbs odor-causing particles faster than baking soda and is perfect for smelly closets, musty storage rooms, gym bags, and even car interiors. Trick number 6. Natural fabric sprays for soft furnishings. Sofas, curtains, carpets, cushions, and bedding often trap odor even if they look clean. Instead of store-bought sprays, create a natural deodorizing mixture using 1 cup warm water, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, 1 tablespoon baking soda, and 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Shake well and lightly mist over fabrics. Trick number 7. Houseplants that purify the air naturally. Certain plants act as natural air purifiers and deodorizing agents. Place them in common odor zones like the kitchen, living room, or bathroom. They not only clean the air, but also add beauty and brightness to your space, making it feel more alive and welcoming. Trick number 8. Vinegar vapor for odor neutralizing power. Vinegar is incredibly effective at absorbing and neutralizing smells. If a room smells smoky, stale, or musty, simply place a bowl of white vinegar on a table or counter. Trick number 9. Drain deodorizing with natural ingredients. Smelly drains can make your entire kitchen or bathroom stink, even if everything else is clean. Trick number 10. Sunlight, the most powerful natural deodorizer. Sunlight kills bacteria, removes moisture, and eliminates odor from fabrics. Natural deodorizing doesn't have to be complicated. With simple ingredients like lemon, baking soda, vinegar, essential oils, and sunlight. Click the link in the description box below to join our free community, where we offer informative articles, ideas, friendship, and much, much more. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and share this video with others who love natural home hacks. See you in the next one!